This is an example of calculating the total of these values using sum function. In order to calculate the total, double-click an empty cell, put equal sign and enter the function name. Give open parentheses. Then select range of cells. Now the first cell name, that is B2, and last cell name B7 is shown in arguments. There is a colon symbol is in between these two cell names. Press enter. This is the total of all items. If I need the minimum of these figures or the smallest value, then give min function name. Now we got the minimum value of these numbers, that is smallest of these values. We can use the formulas in calculation in another way. In the ribbon, there is a tab named Formulas. In the function library group, click Math and Trick. Scroll down, and this is the sum function. Now we got function arguments window. Here Excel already gives some informations. This is the function we selected, and these are the arguments. Excel automatically selected the range of cell to sum up, B2 to B7. This is correct and I don't need to change it. And these are the informations about the function. Here we can see what the sum function means. Adds all the numbers in a range of cells. This is about the arguments. Number 1, number 2 are 1 to 255 numbers to sum. Logical values and text are ignored in cells. Included if typed as arguments. That is, only numeric values are taken for sum up. And we can already see the results. If we have any more doubt about this function, click here for help on this function. This is a link, and if I click on this, it will move to a Microsoft page. Here we can get all the information about the currently active function. Click OK. And there is another easiest way to do the calculation is double click the cell. There is a small button in the formula bar, that is FX button. Click the button. This will open Insert Function window. Here we can search for function. Enter the function and click Go. We got the sum function and click OK. After getting the function arguments window, we can select the range of cells and click OK. This is how we can sum up numeric values using sum function.